kill me yet. Eyes burn with stinging sweat. Seems every path leads me to nowhere. Wife and kids, household pet. Army green was no sick bed. The bullets scream to me from somewhere. Here they come to stop the rooster. Oh yeah. Here they come to stop the rooster. Oh! Hey guys, I'm Vasco. Today I'll show you how I'm playing Rooster by Alice in Chains. It kind of suits the ukulele, but also, the song is not a song that you expect anybody to play on it. So I'll show you how to play it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's go. So the main thing is F to F7 and then G sharp. And again, F to F7 to G sharp. Alright? This is the main part. And the other part we have is the chorus, which starts with A sharp. Hey, they come to stop the rooster, to C major 7. Hey, hey, to F, F7. And one more time, F to F7. And again, A sharp. Hey, they come to stop the rooster, to C major 7. And you get to the main part again. Okay, so now let me come a little bit closer to show you the little pick that I'm doing, and also a few other details that you can do, and it will make the whole arrangement a little bit fuller. All right, let me come. Okay, so here's the little thing that I'm doing. Let me first play it and then I'll go through it slowly, okay? And again. Alright, let me go slowly through this. So we grab F, but also I'm barring right here on the A string, okay? Then removing it, and again, and then 3rd fret, alright? And then I grab G sharp, and with the pinky right here on the E string 6th fret, then removing it, okay? Getting back to F, and then E string, C string, and then grabbing F7, okay? And the last thing I'm doing here is on the E string, I'm just playing it and doing hammer on with the pinky. All right, slowly, let's go. Okay, I'm doing this in the intro and also in the interlude, but also there is one thing that I'm doing on the first line of every verse. So it goes like this. Ain't find a way to kill me yet. And here we have this. Okay, so I'm playing F. Ain't find a way to kill me. to G sharp, and here I'm doing A string 3rd fret, and then with the pinky on the E string 7, 6, grabbing F, but the pinky is still right here on the 4th fret, and then removing it, okay? And find a way to kill me, yeah. Da, da, da. And we are doing this only in the first line of the verse, okay? Seems every path leads me to nowhere. And again, like kids, household pet, army green was no safe bet. The bullet screamed to me from somewhere. And now we go to the chorus, okay? Hey, come to snap the rooster. Ho! Hey, they come to snap the rooster. Hey, I know we ain't gonna die. Alright, so that was my ukulele tutorial for Rooster by Alice in Chains. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.